Okay, this is your forecast updated on Monday. I'm doing this around 8 o'clock, so it'll be posted shortly. There still is some squalls coming off the lakes up here. It doesn't show up too great on here, but you can see it is kind of working its way around. This is this afternoon, and you can see it's working its way and doing its thing. But I guess the bigger, I mean, they've had feet of snow. I mean, if you go up towards upstate New York, above Syracuse, up that way, they've had 4 or 5 feet of snow up that way. I mean, it's just, if you think you want snow, that's where you got to go. And then on Wednesday, we have the system that's going to come through out in western PA out here. It's going to work its way across the state, and it looks like a lot, but it's really not. This is the system Thursday or Wednesday night and Thursday morning, about 4 a.m. Thursday morning. And again, there'll be some squalls behind that one again in the lakes. And then we have a frontal that'll try to drop down, but no more snow. We're already out to next Monday when there's this little baby coming up. Um, it looks like it's going to be a mix. And I did say that if you remember back when, if you watched my video way back when I did the winter forecast, I said there were going to be more of these mixed storms coming through. And this is one coming up from the south. This is on the 9th. This is in the afternoon around 2. Snowing pretty good down here in Jersey, Philadelphia. And then you got some sleet and freezing rain, and then all rain towards the west. And then it starts to move up, and then it gets into a lot of central and eastern PA at 8 o'clock on the 9th, and it's a mix. And then it moves off through North Jersey and through the Poconos, and it's a mix. And then we kind of clear out, and the next system coming through on the 11th is rain, and then behind that, cold air comes back in again, and that's kind of where we take it out to. We don't have that big coastal snowstorm yet. This takes you to around the 18th, and that's about all you got. Total snow between now and then. Let's see. Let's do this. Total snow. Okay, there you go. That's between what we're getting tomorrow and all the way to the 18th. And you can see here's that little bit of snow that comes in here when you get that mixed event going on. So there's a little snow in southeastern PA, and there's a little snow up here from the system coming through this week here. This is the one that's going to come through Wednesday night, Thursday. You can see coming across here. This is lake effect included, but you can see it coming across. It gets lighter as it comes. Maybe an inch in North Jersey, Poconos, an inch, maybe two. Highest elevations, maybe 3 or so. Same thing upper here. This is a little bit of squall action mixed in with the totals right there. So keep that in mind. Now that storm that comes through next week, here's where there's going to be some sleet. Not a lot of sleet with this system in here. There is, but it will change over and be sleet. But there's freezing rain involved in it, and the freezing rain is not big. You need to get to 2 or 3 tenths of an inch of freezing rain for it to do some really damage. But down here in southern PA, you get a tenth of an inch. Roads are going to be slick. But again, up here right now, it doesn't look like a lot of freezing rain. There's some, but we'll have to keep an eye on it and see how much it develops and how deep it gets, and if we can get more cold air into this thing for snow or not. But right now, that's just kind of a heads up what's going on. All right, everybody, take care, be safe. I'll update this. Let's see, working, probably update this thing tomorrow night. Take it easy.